Howdy, howdy. Another video. This is a special one for me because I'm gonna unbox this one. It's somewhat of a keychain custom. One of my buddies, Speck of Art Rigging. Thank you very much, bro. He made it for me. So I'm gonna switch out this card that I just put the little loop in it, so I didn't really do anything much, and put this one on. It's kind of gonna hurt to open it, but here we go. Oh, man, I feel bad. He put it all back together, even with the. Oh, look at that. Riggy, I'm sorry, man. I had to open it. This is actually stuck there. Oh, cool. He put tape on it. Awesome. Kick ass. Now I'm gonna have Snoopy riding along with me. Nice. Wow. And there it is. Thank you, Ricky. I'm gonna put more keys. This is just my key. There it is. Gracias, hermano.